Dude, your helmet's not gonna protect your knee or your elbow, man. I had a bad crash once when I flew up and came out underneath my skis and landed right on my head on a sheet of ice, but was wearing my helmet. Yeah, but I mean, that was probably the worst crash I had. I broke my leg skiing, but that wasn't a bad crash. It was just, there was this tree stump that was buried, and I came through trying to hit a little patch of powder and just drove my knee right into that tree stump and cracked. Yeah, it was a pretty clean break, and then when I was on the mountain, it was just so much pain, and then I like moved my leg and it snapped back and the pain went away. So I set the bone myself, but yeah, ski season was over.
Ski season was over.
Yeah.